Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayi and today I'm sharing my overnight oats recipe with you. If you're new here, you are very welcome. Consider subscribing so you can be notified when I drop a new video. The star ingredient is oats, rich in carbs, fat, fiber and protein. I will be adding some fresh fruits, nuts and a tablespoon of honey. Let's start. I'm going to be keeping this in the fridge overnight, so it's going to need more milk. First thing, I'm adding 3 small cups of oats, and I will be adding some almond milk, but feel free to use any milk of your choice. I like using almond milk because of its health benefits. It's very low in sugar and calories, lactose free, rich in vitamin D and E. But as I always ask you, my amazing people out there, to always feel free to drop any health benefits of the ingredients I'm using in this recipe, so I can also learn from you guys. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and Greek yogurt is good source of protein and calcium, which is good for the bones. But again, feel free to use any yogurt of your choice. You can make 5 jars of this overnight oats that will make life easier for you. Monday to Friday, you know you are covered. I'm going in now with a tablespoon of honey to sweeten this overnight oats. If you are enjoying the recipe so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and keep watching. For this overnight oats, you can have different toppings of fresh fruits like banana, raspberries, apples, blueberries, or even dry fruits and nuts. They are very good for overnight oats recipes. My first topping for today's overnight oats recipe is raspberry, and raspberry provides potassium, which is essential to heart function and proven to lower blood pressure. It also contains manganese, which is essential for healthy bones, a glowing skin, and helps regulate blood sugar. So I will be dropping more ingredients that are good for a glowing skin. Summer is around the corner, so ladies, we need that glowing skin. I will be adding some blueberries, but I would love to know in the comment section your favorite toppings. Let's see the health benefits of blueberries. Blueberries may help prevent heart disease, regulate blood sugar, and help maintain eye health. Any health benefits of blueberries that you know of, please drop that in the comment section as well. I love learning from you guys, and keep your comments coming. For my dry fruits, I will be using some walnuts, almonds, and dry raisins. So let's look at the different health benefits of this dry fruit. The last ingredient will be sunflower seeds, and sunflower seeds are a source of many vitamins and minerals. After that, I'm just going to close my jar very tight and pop it in the fridge. You can see this breakfast is very easy to make, and you can make 5 jars to cover Monday to Friday if you are the busy type. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If that is the case, please don't forget to like the video, share it as well with family and friends. If you enjoy my content and you like to help me grow this platform. Thanks so much for watching. Although all these ingredients are healthy, please remember to have them in moderation. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.